Mobile swings in. Chloe's Cloud. We're just about set. There's a galloper. One was galloping in the score up. They're going without it. It was Thunder Dance. Green light go. They're racing. And down to the inside, Heavenly Shade zipped out away fast. On the outside was Zabibo, and it's going in search of the lead. It's Zabibo on the outside and Heavenly Shade's the inner. They're a length on the Rock and Roll, My Ravana. Now sneaking up on the inside is Thunder Dance, and on the outside of those is Chloe's Cloud as they leave the straight. A length away then came Purple Shades, followed by Mr. Tom Dooley, and settling at the back end of the field from the wide barrier, Rainbow Flashes last. First quarter was 29 and 5 as they run their way to the back straight, and Zabibo was able to get across and lead. Second, Posse held down by Heavenly Shades. Third, the outside is Chloe's Cloud without cover, and then on the inside is On the Rock and Roll, followed further back by Thunder Dance, who was able to be taken away from the inside after that slow start and went back on the outside into the 1-1. Then My Ravana, followed further back then by, on the inside, Purple Shades. Outside of it is the favourite Rainbow Flash, and last of all is Mr. Tom Dooley. 30.4 for the second quarter, 59.9 for the half, and with about 7 or 8 lengths spanning the field, Zabibo takes them down the back straight in the direction of the 600, leading by a length and a half on Heavenly Shades. Third, the outside is Chloe's Cloud. On the Rock and Roll was losing ground. Going around the outside of it is Thunder Dance, and then came Rainbow Flash, and My Ravana hedged the remainder. 500 metres left to go. Leader full of running. It's Zabibo in front. Second is Heavenly Shades. On the outside, Thunder Dance had got to third. Losing ground, Chloe's Cloud, followed by On the Rock and Roll, and Rainbow Flash peels to the extreme outside. 28.8 for the third quarter. Leader goes for home. Zabibo led the way by a length or so on Heavenly Shades. Rainbow Flashes winding up down the outside. Still spots the leader 4. It's Zabibo the leader. Here's Heavenly Shades coming at it strongly and getting out late as On the Rock and Roll, picking up the bit again, but it's still Zabibo. It's trying to grip on. It's holding them at bay, and Zabibo will go all the way. Zabibo at any old odds has gone home to beat Heavenly Shades, On the Rock and Roll, Thunder Dance, Rainbow Flash, and then came My Ravana. Break off Chloe's Cloud in company with Purple Shades, and Mr. Tom Dooley's last, and yep, $43 this will pay. Zabibo.